For more information, see the description below. Namaste.
You studied the pramanas, pratyaksha, anumana, etc. No.
When you're saying that I said that when I was studying Ayurveda in the beginning, no.
Anumana, pramana.
It was just said that in one sentence and finished. Okay. Summarizing multiple principles into
or under one category.
one
And final conclusion.
concluding remark. This word in
Remark.
English
You
is
can say
remark.
This is actually research methodology. According to Indian thesis. Before saying that my hypothesis is proved, these people have to write whatever the sub-points they proved in their previous discussion part.
Okay.
So there is a chapter called conclusion. And there is a chapter called result. There is a chapter called discussion. After discussion, they have to write conclusion, then they have to write result. Are you getting my point?
I'm following.
So in the discussion, they will bring all the subject matter into discussion. In the conclusion, they will take the proofs. Each discussion they will take and they will write in some 10 or 15 or 20 concluding sentences they will write. And finally they will write the result.
So the result is this one.
Not this is concluding notes.
Okay. Okay. This is for a big thesis. There is a lot of pages. Okay.
Now read example you read. Vibham tu kochi. Kechit.
Okay, kechit. So this should be ta, but it's going to the because of the
Kechit.
Kechid.
Not the Kechit. Kechit.
Is it T here? It's not T here.
That is T only, Kechit. That is because of the Sandhi, Kechit.
Okay. Okay.
Kechit plus Guna, Kechit Guna.
Okay.
That's I told you.
Yes.
Actually, they are not supposed to like this. The gu down they have to write. Those people have split it.
It has to be
Together.
Yes. Guru Laghu. This is going to be Snigdha. Guru Laghu is Snigdha. What is that? Da Snigdha, Ruksha, Manda, Tikshna, Shita, Shito, Shito Ushna, Beda. What is that? Dash.
Dasha.
No, not Dasha. What is that? Yeah.
Ashta.
Oh, that's strong and that's
Ida
strange.
Dashta.
Okay. Ida Dashta Vidama anything. What is that thing below that? Vidama.
Vidhama Ahu. Ahu.
Okay. Ahuhu. Okay.
Viryam tu. What is Viryam?
Viryam.
Viryam only.
Okay.
Now, few says that Guru, Laku, Snigdha, Ruksha, Manda, Tikshna, Shida, Ushna. There are 8 types.
Okay.
They are telling that there are 8 types of Virya.
Okay.
One group. Apare, some other people are telling that Punar Bahu Viryavadinaha Patanti. Some people said that there are many Viryas. Which are the Viryas? Viryam, Dravyascha, Tatnyayam, Yadyoga, Kriyade Kriya, na avirya kurede kinjit sarva viryakrita hi sa. Like this one definition they are giving, and they will tell that there are so many viryas.
Okay.
Some people told that there are 8 viryas.
Okay.
Okay. Tairavi chaivam adiprakrishta shakti yuktana ashesha oshadha guna rasa bhuta bhudanam ashtarameva guruvadinam viryasapnya vishishta amraya vihitapi laukikedi samudbhavyante. Some people will say that there are 8. Okay, some people will tell that because of the power there are many viryas for that one. How many viryas you studied in Ashtanga?
3. 2. Krishna, Shita.
So that is the way.
Good note.
Yes, tadahi. Taya rasa vibhaga guna andara vijayito bhuyamsascha varishtascha gunaha sangrahitaha. See, some other people will say that rasa vibhaga guna, like that. This all can be considered as, see, rasa, guna, virya, etc. Rasa, guna, vibhaga are the normal properties of a dravya. Anything other than can be called as
Prabha.
virya, according to this people.
Okay.
Okay. So, vishesha vrityacha tatra tatra dravya swarupakatane vyavaharaha pravartitaha bhavati. Atayeva sarva adishayi dravyatva bhavaha prabhava idi amnava. So some people have told that above all this there are some properties. They can be called as prabhava. Now as you told, some people will tell that they are as viryas. Okay, like this about virya there are several opinions. That is why aneka vitam. Got it? Got it?
Yes, Aneka Vidam.
Yeah. Anyetu gurvadinameva manoratmagatvad adhana visarga vibhagena kalasya outni shidatmagatvad dividama. That is okay. After telling all these things, some people will tell that, see, gurvadinam agni shomatmagatvad. When you take that guna, sikda, hima, etc., etc., all the 20 categories can be divided into either Ushna or Virya. Shita. So they are telling that there is only 2 Viryas. Okay? Nanatmagamavi dravyam Agnishobhau Mahabalau Vyaktavyaktam Jagadiva Na Adikramanti Yatuja. Even though dravyas are 1,000 in their number, and there are many properties, all these properties cannot exceed than the Jyotisha and the Soma. Jyotisha means Ushna, Soma is moon or the Shita. Okay? Thus, there will be only 2 is the conclusion, one group is telling. Tatra, Ushnam, Vahana, Pajana, Svedana, Vilayana, Anila, Kapha, Prasamanadini, Karoti. According to medical science. What are it is doing? Vahana.
Carrying.
Yes. Pachana.
Digestion.
Svedana.
Transpiring.
Vilayana.
Vilayana.
Vilayana means merging into.
Okay.
Breaking.
Okay.
Anila, Kapha, Prasamana. Controls the Anila and controls the Kapha. This is the properties done by the Vidya Ushna. Okay. Another one is Sheetam.
Okay.
Sheetam. Hladana, happy. Stambana.
Wow. Hladana.
Hladana actually happiness in the sense moments, that's all. That means making the things settled properly.
Okay.
That is Hladana. Stambana. Stambana means stopping, immovable. Jivana, giving life. Then Rekta Pitta Prasamana.
Okay.
Controls the Rekta and the Pitta. Okay. Idi Karoti. Like that, 2. Iti. Dvayo. Idi.
Okay.
Vidi.
You want me to read?
Virya.
Virya.
Dvaividhyam acharyena sthapitam. Who established only two? Charaka established only two Viryas. Who is concluding this?
This is
Charaka. Charaka is concluding that there is only Dvivida Virya. How he is concluding? He is saying that Ushna, what Ushna will do? Ushna will do all this karma in the body.
okay.
Shida will do all this karma in the body. So this includes all the karmas of the body, thus only
True.
so which are the Nirnaya here? These are the lines Nirnaya here. This Ushna can do all these works. Shida can do all these works. Thus I conclude that there is only two Virya. Got it? You got the point?
Yes.
Clear? Clear? Are you getting?
Yes.
So about Virya, there are many concepts.
Okay.
About Virya, there are many concepts. Some people say that it is 8. Some people say that it is numerous. Okay. Some people that any property that which is not included in the guna, dravya or vibhaka can be considered as
Virya.
Virya. But some people will call it as prabhava. Anyhow, even prabhava can be included in the Virya because it is above the receivable properties like dravya, guna and vibhaka.
Okay.
Okay. So anything above that can be termed as Virya is another group. One group 8, some other group, all the properties can be called as the Virya. Like this, there are many opinion on it. All this opinion, after telling that, he is coming to that there is only two. Because even though the dravyas are nanatmaka in properties, there are only mainly two things because they can exist, they can act and they can have the property either depending the sun or depending the moon. That means either depending the hot or depending the coolness. There is only two ways it can be. Thus, there is only two Viryas and Ushna does all these works, Shida does all these works. So, finally he is concluding that because of the all above reasons, there are only two Viryas. You got it?
So
You're
Ushna.
right. No. You're right.
This part is very important.
No, I will tell you. There
Okay.
are scholars.
No, this part is okay.
You're right. No, there are scholars
Okay.
who believe there are
We believe
that 8 Vidyas. There are also scholars who believe the Viryas are numerous in number. There are scholars who think anything above rasa, guna, vipaka can be considered as the Virya.
Okay.
Acharya Charaka to establish there are only two Vidyas stating that
Okay.
even though there are numerous substances in this world, all of them can depend either the sun or the moon in bracket, hot or cold, for their existence, properties and actions.
Okay.
The Ushna does the actions like
Okay.
Pachana, Swedana.
No, there was one before Pachana.
The one is over
Which page we are? We are here now. It was
Vahana. Vahana, Pachana, Vahana, bracket you write, existence.
okay.
Pachana, evolution. Swedana, evaporation. Vilayana, splitting into and joining.
Vilayana.
Splitting and joining again.
Okay.
And for the control of or classification of and for the classification of Vata and Kapha in the same way. In the same way, the Shita brings the accumulation, pleasantness,
Accumulation. What is the Sanskrit word for accumulation?
Pradana means accumulation in a pleasant way.
Adana.
Accumulation in a pleasant way. Sampana immobility.
Okay.
Jivana, life giving.
Okay.
And used for the classification of
Only three? Ladana,
yeah.
Stambana, and Jivan.
Yes. And
Okay.
for the classification of Rakta and Pitta. And finally,
Okay.
state that the
State.
Virya can, and finally state that the Virya can be only two types. Clear?
But here Rakta appears like adoption. Because the word is used as specification.
That is the beauty of the text. When Susruta accepted Rakta as a dosha, Charaka is not telling that it is wrong. He is telling that Rakta is responsible for vitiating very less as an individual one. Otherwise, all the vitiation is because of Pitta in it. Thus, we can include Rakta in the Pitta, does not have to consider as a separate. He is very clear. Charaka was very clear. That is why, only because of this statement, Vagbada, while numbering the Vata Pitta Kapha, he is using word samasa in top. Understood? To say that there are something inside this canto, their individual karma, but as a whole, it can put under this. Are you getting my point?
Sure.
That's why he is very particular for using the word samasadaha, supporting the line of Saraga. And but Chakravani argued a lot on it. Charaka did not do it. Charaka was very clear in the categorization. Understood?
Yes.
See, as we told that apple, mango, everything can be considered as fruits.
Okay.
In general, fruits have some common
Properties.
yes,
Samanya.
samanata. But each can do something that which will be little bit different from the samana karma. It does not mean that this is not a fruit. This is a fruit only, but it has got this additional such a way who is recta in Ayurveda. I hope you understand.
Yes. Very interesting.
So clear, that is over. So I think what is Nirnaya? Nirnaya, we need multiple opinions and we have to establish our point, we have to list some proofs on it. That is called Nirnaya. Clear?
Clear.
Copy na? Understood na?
Yes.